Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have Happy Mail here from Willow Way Stickers. This is my first order from them ever. Apparently, they're going from physical stickers to digital or printables, and they had some grab bags available, so I grabbed a couple of the grab bags just to test out their stickers. I'll probably be shopping with them since they are going digital. I do prefer to buy digital a lot of times. That way I have the stickers that I can use over and over again. But there's also room for physical stickers. I enjoy those too because sometimes I just don't want to print my own stickers. All right, so here we go. Maybe I got three. I don't remember. Oh, nope, I got a freebie goodie bag. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is Willow Way. This is the freebie. Let's take a look at that first. That was very generous of them to include such a big set of freebies, such a large option. This is their information or their packaging, and they are at Willow Way Stickers. Okay. Right. This is a lot. So the weather stickers, little icons. So these are black and white. These are in color with that kawaii look to them. It's got the little eyes and nose and mouth. What are these? These are just like household chores, laundry, looks like a coffee cup, groceries, balloons for birthday celebration, umbrella. So a variety of different icons, little hand weights, vacuum, tools, plant, film, fork, spoon, and knife. So yeah, just a variety of stickers in a lavender color. And this one is the same icons in an orange color. Then we got the books for you can put down for when you're what you're reading. Are they in different colors? I think they are. They are. It's very subtle, but they are in different colors. It's like a rainbow of color. This one is a little less subtle. What's the difference? I think it's the difference is the colors that were used. This one is a little more noticeable. Okay. Monitor that can be used as a TV as well. So I can use this for my live streams. If you didn't know, I am live streaming my Plan With Me's for the time being over on the Scrapcraftastic Plan With Me channel. So if you're looking for Plan With Me videos, just Plan With Me videos, that's where they are. Join us over there. I'll link to it in the description box below. So these are meal stickers, I guess, meal planning or daily meal stickers with the fork, the spoon, and the knife. Like that, because I always try to write down what we ate for our main meal. We got the bow planner clip. These are perfect. I need these. I wish I had more than one sheet of these. These are little telephones. So if you need to note, you need to make a call in your planner or whatever, these are cute to do that with. I think these are a great size icon too. They're not too small, not too big. Um, just right. But yeah, I think they're a really nice size. Because you sometimes the icons can be so small that you can't tell what they are, but I can tell right away what these are, and they're not too big so that they take up too much space in your planner. So I like that. Now that was just the freebie. These are the grab bags that I purchased. Oh, we got more of these. Okay. So let's start with this one. I got two. I don't remember the price. But I will link to their shop in the description box below and you can go over and check it out. I'm not sure if they still have grab bags left, but like I said, I think they're moving to digitals or printables. So you may be able to get some of these in printable format, which is even better to me, like I said, because you can use them over and over. So we have more of the monitors or TVs, which is perfect. I need those. Oh, these are different. These are arrows. So you can like highlight things in your planner, make them stand out a little bit more. You could even use like your your markers or your highlighters to color them in to give them color if you want to. Any of the black and white stickers, you have the option to color those in to customize them to fit what you need. This looks like water bottles. Yep. So you got water bottles. Are these appointment stickers? I'm guessing that's what these are. So you can write down your appointment and time. I like those. Okay. Then we get into some more deco style. Shows the computer monitor. I like that with decorative elements around it. Ooh, comes in two different styles. So this is more of a girly style. This is more of a tropical style to me. I like those. Simple deco. You got the hydrate stickers. Here's another computer sticker, deco sticker. This is Christmas inspired, holiday inspired. I like those. This is winter, can be used for Christmas too. These are smaller um, computer stickers. These are nice deco stickers. Different. I like that. And then this is the coffee cups in a rainbow of colors. Okay. That's a pretty good grab bag. I think I would use everything in here, actually. Probably the least used that I have in here would be the hydrate stickers, even though I probably need to use them. These, but I could use these up in a couple of weeks if I use them because I do need to drink more water and I do need to track it. Okay, here's the other grab bag from Willow Way stickers. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, this is a kit. I thought it was. Love the color scheme. It's kind of got that Tiffany blue look going on. So it's boxes. Are these just random parts of kits? These are washi strips. Okay, this is a monthly kit, looks like. This part, but this one doesn't go with that, does it? No. Cute. That's really pretty though. This is a monthly. What are these? I'm not familiar with Willow Way's kits. Again, this is my first order from them. So I don't know, but I mean, you can use these any way you want. This is more of that monthly kit. Then we got some more washi strips. This is another kit. All right. These are parts of kits. I'm guessing. Does this one go with that one? I don't think so. This looks different. This goes with it. So these are the same. Okay, I got two of the same sheet. Then this goes with this. This is standalone washi with days of the week, which I'm not mad at because I can use this in my Stalogy for a week. I can use these in anything. I may use these in my Kimbar though, because I really like the colors of these. Hmm. Okay. So we got partial kits, whole kits. All of these can be used in some way. I just have to figure out how. The washi strip's easy. And these are just basically boxes of different colors, so they can be used anyway. I don't have to use them in the way that they were originally designed, which is fine with me because I don't really use kits that way. So I'm just considering this a challenge to figure out how to use everything. Definitely, I can use this as a monthly, and it might mix in with some of the stickers that I already have. So this is basically the only standalone one. This and this. These two standalone. All of the rest go together. All right, I think that was a pretty good purchase because I got a lot of stickers for a little, plus this very generous set of freebies is awesome. Couldn't ask for more. All right, let's put this pretty one on top. I like that one a lot. Okay, so that is it for Willow Way. Now, Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you going to go over and check them out? Let me know. Let's move on. I do have something else to unbox. I want to remember that this is the freebies. I should write that on those sheets. Look at that. A nice stack of stickers there. Plenty to use. All right, so my other happy mail is from Crafty Planner Queen. This is the journaling kit. Okay, so this one is called Serengeti Soul. This is their journaling kit once again, and they're only available through Instagram. So if you're not following Crafty Planner Queen, I'll put their handle in the description box below, and you have to contact them if you are interested when the kits come out. This is Serengeti. So I am collecting these monthly. They're very fairly priced, and I think they're just beautiful. Okay, so this is the little dashboard folder card that they come in. Look at that. That's so pretty. Wow. Okay, so this is what it comes in. And this is what you get. It's die cuts on this very thin paper, a lot of it, and some of it is on a heavier cardstock. They're not stickers. They are papers for journaling, and you have to glue them in or however you want to do it. But yeah, it's not stickers, but very thin, doesn't add bulk, very pretty. So that's the paper weight, and this is more of a cardstock weight. But they're kiss cut, die cut um, pieces, elements that you can add for your junk journaling. Okay, so this is a tag with the elephant. These are so nice. They're so nice. I haven't used them yet. I wanna make something really special with them. I just don't know what it is yet, so I'm kinda hoarding them for now, but I am always on the lookout at Crafty Planner Queen for the next drop because I definitely wanna get my hands on them, okay? And they go pretty quickly because they are so pretty, so yeah, I always look to see when the next one is coming out so that I can grab it up. Okay, that's like kind of like a Polaroid look. This is another tag. And it's got a nice finish on the paper, as you can see. And this is another one of the papers. I think I'm gonna keep the papers together. So like that, it's the die cut window scene, suitcase. This is like a bookmark, page mark banner. Even though it's on the thin paper, you can layer it up and turn it into whatever you want. It's a book. I like when the die cuts come without the offset. I really like that a lot. The binoculars. Sometimes things like this, I know a lot of people wonder, well, why do they put the offset on there anyway? Things like this with the very thin areas in the design, it's best to die cut with the offset on it because this area here would be very delicate and you would tear it very easily. This is on a heavier cardstock, by the way. This one, I like these with the ragged edges, more organic look to them. Can you see that? So you don't even have to tear it. It already gives the illusion of a torn paper. You got the plant, more of the papers. That. This is the bookmark. So the other one is just kind of like a banner, but this is the bookmark. And then the paper, note paper that usually comes with it. Okay. So this is all from Crafty Planner Queen. This is their journal kit. Again, I will leave their information in the description box below. Go over and check them out. That's it for this one. We got Crafty Planner Queen. And then I also had the grab bags from Willow Way with the very nice freebie included. Let me know what you think of the stickers. Are you going to go check them out? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey y'all, be sure to tune in to Real Talk Real Plans every Sunday night at 9 p.m. live on YouTube. And join us for the midweek check-in on Thursday night, 7:45 Eastern Standard Time on Instagram at Real Talk with Riri. Bye.